This is the Innovative SuperStand, the automotive industry's leading paint stand specifically designed to repair and paint today's bumper covers. One of the key features are the 4-inch total lock wheels, which when locked not only keep the wheel from rolling, but the stem from swiveling. This keeps the stand from moving during the repair process. Another big feature is the swivel clamp, which locks into any position to hold the cover securely in place. We put rubber boots in all the critical areas that swivel, slide, or have threads to protect from overspray. When it comes to mounting a bumper cover, the first thing you want to do is tip the cradle in the downward position using the latch and thumb support. Next, center the cover on the padded cradle tube. Then, using the cross tube, adjust the length to match the size of the cover being repaired. Now, to secure the cover, you have two options. You can simply clamp onto the edge. But if you have a cover with a finished edge, similar to Honda's or BMW's, we put a pin on the clamp. Just drop the pin into one of the screw mounting holes and tighten the swivel, as well as the width adjustment knobs. Be sure to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now your cover is mounted and secure without damaging any painted surfaces. The recommended practice when using the Innovative SuperStand is to paint the cover just as it sits on the vehicle. This way, when spraying a metallic or a pearl, paint will lay down better with a consistent color and texture match. For complete paint coverage, the Innovative SuperStand has 5 locking positions, allowing you to reach those deep pockets and other hard-to-reach areas, eliminating missed edges. Notice how rigid the Innovative SuperStand keeps a bumper cover. This allows you to repair and prep a cover right on the stand, and it's rigid enough to use a DA sander. This will save you 15 to 20 minutes per bumper repair, allowing for a quick return on your investment. Along with its ability to nest, the Innovative SuperStand is the answer to your bumper repair problems.